Hello students, in the previous video we discussed about the closed pack structures and the packing efficiency in different unit cell. Let us discuss calculations involving unit cell dimensions. In this we are discussing about formula for density. Let us consider a unit cell in which the edge length is taken as A, density of the solid substance is taken as D. Here the edge length is taken in picometer, that is A picometer. The number of atoms let in the unit cell is taken as Z. Capital M is the molar mass. The volume of the cube, we know that it is A cube. So that is A cube picometer cube. 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter. So when you take this unit in centimeter, we'll be getting this. That is A cube into 10 raised to power minus 30 centimeter cube. Why we need to convert the picometer into centimeter? Because molar mass is in terms of grams per mole. So you need to take the units in the CGS system. So that's why we are converting the picometer into centimeter instead of meter. Let us find what is the formula for density of the unit cell. Density of the unit cell is represented in rho, that is equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. Let me take this equation as equation 1. So what is the formula for mass of unit cell? The mass of the unit cell is actually, it is a product of the number of atom in the unit cell and the mass of each atom. So number of atoms that we have taken in terms of Z, it is represented in terms of Z. Small m is the mass of each atom. And how we find out the mass of each atom? That is equal to the molar mass divided by Avogadro number. So when you multiply this one, that will be the mass of unit cell. Now substitute these in this formula. So then we will get this. That is Z into m divided by A cube into 10 raised to a minus 30 into Na, where Na is the Avogadro number and the unit is gram per centimeter cube. Gram per centimeter cube. Let us do a problem related to density. Calculate the density of silver by using the data given. Edge length of its unit cell is 408 picometer and the molar mass is 108 gram per mole. Silver form CCP lattice. This is the question which is given and the question is to calculate the density of the silver. So let us write the formula for the density of the unit cell, that is Zm divided by A cube into Na. Here 10 raised to minus 30 is taken for converting the picometer into centimeter. Now substitute the value of Na, Avogadro number, the value of Z, that is 4. Why it is 4? Because in the question it is given CCP. It forms CCP lattice. CCP means FCC. And in FCC the number of atom is equal to 4. So Z is equal to 4. Substitute these all values in the formula. We'll be getting, that is after substituting this one, when you solve it, you will get the result 10 minus 10.5 gram per centimeter cube. So usually the question will be asked related to the density. So it is quite important problem in this chapter which is usually asked in the board examination. So prepare different type of questions on density. So this is all about the calculation, how we have done the derivation and calculation for the density of units. So thank you everyone.